I am so excited for this video today, you guys. Now, you guys, get fucking ready because I told you guys I'm gonna change things up right now and I am gonna take you into my kitchen. If you guys know me very fucking well, I be eating some crazy shit. Not crazy like, oh my god, I'm gonna pull out like an octopus, I'm gonna pull out some crazy shit, but I love eating unhealthy. It's like my thing. Unhealthy food to me is like, my comfort place. And I wanna take you guys into my kitchen and make one of my favorite plates ever that is obviously just so unhealthy to a lot of people, but to me, it's literally like one of my comfort foods that I love to make. So you guys, it is time to cook with Kimora, and it's literally ooh, you guys, I know people are probably like, oh my god, I'm having like a heart attack. I'm having like a what is going on? I hate Spam. And some people don't even know what Spam is. And Spam to me is like one of my favorite foods ever. So this is my Spam in a case. I got this at Costco and I usually buy them in like fucking packs and packs and packs because I love Spam so much, where it goes from like spicy Spam to like regular Spam. And Spam to me is just amazing. You can do this in like sandwiches, pasta. You can do this on top of rice. You can do this on a bunch of things. But today we're gonna learn a recipe that is super simple, super great, super easy to do, and I'm telling you right now, every person that has tried it has just literally gagged. But today we're gonna jump into Spam. Okay, welcome to my fucking kitchen. Now this is probably one of the like the most easiest fucking plates to make. So there's ways to fucking do this. Just come on, just follow me. Right now, what we need to do is we need to pull out what are those things? Oh, a cutting board. That's what you guys need. And honestly, like you guys, I literally started cooking like a week ago. I don't really cook. So now you guys need is a gorgeous, expensive cutting plate. I don't really even know how we got this, but we have it. I mean, obviously, look at my kitchen. It goes well with the kitchen. And we need, obviously, Spam. Now, usually only like one Spam is good. You guys are probably like looking at my ass. If you guys want an ass like mine, y'all gotta eat Spam. Y'all need a stunning knife. Now, if you guys are cooking for like a family of like 20, well, first of all, like, I don't even know why y'all even making Spam for a family of 20. He loves Spam as well. So we need a very expensive frying pan. So if you don't have an expensive frying pan, I would definitely get one. And then we'll need some oil. I don't even know the difference between oils, so like vegetable oil, canola oil. I don't even know the difference. I feel like oil is oil. But in here we use vegetable oil because we like to sound like we're very like healthy. If you guys come in a little closer, literally take the oil and just kind of like, oh shit. Okay, so I feel like that's enough. Now I'm gonna turn on the light. Now if y'all don't have a light, I will definitely use a flashlight. I will use some sort of light so you can definitely see. And then I just let that be just the way it is. Now if you guys come over here, before we cut open the Spam, I wanna make sure we start the rice. So obviously I'm Asian, I love rice and I eat everything with rice. So we're gonna make sure the rice is popping. So I'm gonna show you guys what rice I use. Okay. This is the rice that I use, and you can literally get this at like a Ralph's. You can get this at anywhere. Honestly, whatever rice you guys like to use, go ahead. But rice is important in this because it's gonna be like the perfect like carb to put with your Spam. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. I would really recommend getting a rice cooker. Like, I don't even know if you know how to cook rice on like a stove. I usually like to use a rice cooker. So this is the Aroma rice cooker. There is a way to fucking do this, okay? So like, don't even think that this is fucking easy and y'all can literally do this. It took me years to know how to make this plate the right way. So we're gonna get the rice cooking first because the rice takes the fucking longest. Now, I don't even know why the fuck rice takes forever to cook, but we wanna make sure we do it first. So I'm just gonna take a measuring cup, and I don't even know what this is, but I'm just gonna guess. A half a cup. But girl, I'm only using it for the looks, honey. I'm not even measuring, to be honest. I'm just going. Honestly, like, every time I make rice, I don't even know how much I'm making because who the fuck sits there and fucking counts all the rice? You know what I mean? Like, not me. I don't even know if that's enough. I feel like it's kind of enough. I don't even know if this is enough. I feel like this is actually too much. So we always add water. And you guys know we always want to make sure we really like clean it. So when water is so foggy, I mean, it's just like fucking dirty, right? So we want to make sure we run our hands through it, make sure it is like super as clean as it can be. I mean, honestly, if you don't wash your rice, it's not the end of the world, but you guys literally want to be like super clean. Ooh. Now you want to do this like maybe 5 times. It's not going to be crystal clear, but like you want to just kind of do it as clean as you can. Now, how I was taught to cook rice is depending on how much rice you use, you want to make sure there's always like a finger, right? I guess, I don't know. I have a nail, so that absolutely does not even make sense. I'm gonna guess that's right. Now, usually the aroma literally like takes about like 15-20 minutes. So you wanna plug it in. Now you wanna make sure your house got electricity and you wanna put this down so it cooks. Now this little button here, you wanna make sure it says cook because when it goes to warm, it means bitch, it's fucking done. We just let that sit. We're privileged. We just gotta plug it in and make sure it cooks by itself. I don't know how people cook rice without the rice machine. So let's put this away because we wanna be as organized as we can. Now coming over here, it's time to make the Spam. But before that, I'm gonna pull out the other ingredient that we need for Spam. Eggs, honey. So eggs are gonna be the other ingredient to this perfect Spam plate. I'm telling you, it's gonna be amazing. But right now we're gonna go ahead and start making this motherfucking Spam. So pulling it out, you guys, I have nails. So we're gonna go ahead and, So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling out the Spam. Now I got nails, so you guys really wanna be careful. So it's almost like a soda can. So I take my knife and I just kind of literally go that way. Oof, oh my God, it fucking smells. I hate the way fucking Spam smells when you like literally take it out. And you literally just leave it like that. So, yeah, if y'all never seen processed meat, this is literally what it is. How I take it out, I just literally like, ooh, I want to make that. What is that? Okay, Spam sandwich, work. I kind of like take it and fold it. Why did you come out? Oh! Oh my God, my nail just fucking broke. Oh my God. My nail literally just fucking broke. Oh my God. I'm so sad. I can super glue it, right? I'm gonna super glue it. Oh my fucking God. You guys, hold on. I need to fucking super glue the nail back. I'm fucking pissed! I have to super glue my nail back because this is supposed to last it for 2 fucking weeks. I should have made that today. You guys, I literally broke my fucking nail. I'm so irritated. Okay, so as that's drying, oh my God, is that unsanitary? Ew, that's gross, huh? Oh my God, look at this. So as that's coming out, oof, I hate the way it smells. Yes, look at this. Honey, stunning, so healthy for you. I'm telling you guys, if y'all want a fucking ass like mine, this is what you guys gotta eat. It's so bad for you. Now what I like to do, I like to put pepper on the outside because when you slice it up, the edge is gonna have a little bit of pepper. And just lightly, okay, you take it, you just kind of pack it on. I don't like to touch it. So you just kind of do the same thing on this side. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it up. Now, there's a way to do this, you guys. Like, you don't wanna slice it up too fucking thin, but you wanna slice it up thin. You wanna be able to feed a whole, like, classroom. Now, you wanna slice it in, like, this size, and that's how it is. So you wanna do, like, a bunch like that. Because we really don't wanna fry, like, a lot. Just keep going down. You only wanna eat, like, 3 slices. You don't wanna eat, like, 5. So you just slice it like that. I hate touching it. Okay. Oh my God, I wanna touch it. So now you wanna do it, like, 1 more. I fucking love this. So I feel like this is fine. Oh my God, let me just double check my nail. Bitch. All right, you guys, so the thing is sliced. We literally can't even do much yet because the rice gotta cook first. So once the rice is about like maybe halfway in and ready to go, maybe when the lid is open, that's when we're gonna start frying the Spam, and I'm gonna make sure we make the perfect egg on top. Boys, all right, you guys, so rice is done, rice is ready to go. So this literally, I like to kind of leave it just like that a little bit because you want to like let all the air out. Not air, but you know, you want to have it a little dry. Turn on the stove. Oh, girl. Now we're gonna get ready to fry it. Now you guys want to use some tools that are like stunning, right? Like we want some stunning tools. I hate when the oil like literally splashes everywhere, so you want to make sure you like stop the oil from splashing because I get freaked out about that. So I always use one of those. I don't even know what this is for. Is that what that's for? Oh, this is just to stop the oil? Oh, I don't know how we cut this. You want to make sure you cook this so it's like super golden brown on the outside, but it's soft on the inside. There's a way to do it. Now, if your spam is burnt, then you really can't do shit in life. Ah! Oh, hell no. So just putting the spam, now you want to fit as much as you can, like all in there. And you just layer like that. Oh my God. Okay. But you want to make sure like all the oil is like everywhere. Ah! Oh my God, that shit hurts. Oh my God, I only can fit one. Oh my God. So just leave it like that. What I usually do is I take a napkin and I just kind of like put it on like one side. And I just kind of like leave it there because when you take it out, you want to put it like kind of like on the towel so it can like kind of dry out. Taking my rice and just opening it up, letting it kind of like, air out. Oh! Okay. As that's frying and getting ready to go, I'm so excited. I can smell it. It smells so like fucking bad for you. But I don't give a fuck. You want to take soy sauce and then you want to take a bowl. Kind of stir it. Oh, this is perfect. Look at that, bitch. I can make some fucking bomb ass rice, bitch. Anybody tell me shit. I need to fucking measure. That's how you know I'm a fucking chef. Who the fuck measures stuff? So you just kind of like sit. Oh! So you take this and you want to like pack it like that. So it looks like that. Now you want to make sure it looks stunning. You know what I mean? Like you want to make sure it just looks gorge. Because no one really just goes in there and just puts the rice on, you know what I mean? So you want to make sure you look like you know what the fuck you're doing. And just go like that. So these are perfectly done. Oh! Oh my God. I'm so scared of oil. Yeah, look how perfect that looks. Now you could squeeze in one more. Okay, so I feel like this is good. So this is usually when it's done. Like I usually like one side kind of more fried than the other. Because that's how you really keep like the softness of the Spam. So there's not really necessary to like really make it look like chips. Now, if you guys love spice, like this is where you can cook and put a little cayenne pepper. And honestly, let me tell you something. This is so healthy for you. Like, I'll tell you, once you do this, you don't even, your body do this snatch. I feel like this one's done. Ah! Now I'm gonna come over here. Oh, I think it's too hot. What do I do if it's too hot? What do I do? Oh my God. Wait, no! So now we're gonna take this. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna do is because now with the perfect Spam plate, you wanna make sure there's a sunny side up egg, 2 of them cracked on top. Now if you don't know how to make a sunny side up egg, then I don't know what you can do. Oh my God. It's like fucking... Ah! I feel like I need to get a cover for this though. Oh my God. Oh my God. So you kind of let that sit a little bit. Now if you can squeeze in like 2 more to kind of kill time, then sure. See? Okay, now cover it. Now when you cover a sunny side up, you want to cover it just a little bit because you want it to kind of cook the top a little bit, but you don't really want to like overly cook it. And then when you leave the top off, like the top won't cook, and that's fucking weird. So as that's going, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna take plate by plate, and we're gonna distribute the Spam. Oh my God, bitch, calm down. Okay. And then last but not least, one more. Oh my God! Ah, what do I do? What do I do? So take the Spam. Now what you want to do with the soy sauce, this is very crucial, you guys. This is very, very, very fucking cool because there's actually such thing as too much fucking soy sauce. So you don't really want to do too much soy sauce. So I take like a little spoon and I just kind of, literally just kind of coat it like that. Because you want to put it on the bottom so it kind of soaks on the bottom. Oh! And you just want to like really, you want to make it look gorge. You know what I mean? Like, bitch, ice drop like you don't want to look like a $5 plate. You want to look like, you know, a $10 plate. And then you come over here and what you do, oh my God, what the fuck, ho? You want to place it like stunning, okay? Like, don't be fucking like rushing it. Bitch. Woo! Woo! Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna turn it back on because my husband only eats scrambled eggs because he believes that there's a head and a chicken going on in there. An embryo. So we're gonna make some scrambled eggs for him. And mix it, but there's a way to make it scrambled where it looks kind of sunny side up. Think of like an omelet. And then now this is what you want to do. You want to come over here. You want to take a little pepper and just kind of glaze it on top. So if you want to do it scrambled because you're scared of the embryolas, so fucking bad for you. Oh! Oh, bitch, calm down. Now, you guys, this is scrambled. So obviously, if you don't like sunny side up egg, you could do scrambled, put on top. Now, this is literally stunning. And then you guys, look at, and then here you guys go. My very, 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 very healthy version of Spam, eggs, and rice. I'm so excited. Subscribe to my channel because I got more shit that I'm about to cook up for you in the kitchen.